Aloha kako. My name is Shawn Kahoʻolemana Naone. I am a 6-year sophomore here at Leeward. No, seriously, I am a student here, about ready to move on to Manoa. But I'm majoring in Native Hawaiian Studies as well as social work. Although I have been kind of looking towards teaching instead of social work, I really want to help the homeless. That's my main drive.
How long have you been a photographer?
I've been shooting going on 3 years.
And what made you pick up the camera of all things?
Picking up the camera was a distraction from drinking when I decided to get sober.
And how did you learn the techniques? I mean, I know you think you don't have techniques, but you do. How did you learn what you know?
A lot of trial and error, self-taught basically. Like most men, I'm really reluctant to read the manual, so I just grabbed it and you just get out there and start shooting, you know?
Would your wife agree with that?
No. But seriously, it's just a matter of trial and error, and my hila, just don't be ashamed. There's beauty in everything, that's why, and all you have to do is get out there and experience life, you know? That's why, it's kind of a paradox, because you're behind this camera, but yet I try not to hide from life or be so focused about the image that I don't want to miss the experience that I'm capturing as well. So it's kind of funny, the word ki'i, image or statue or photograph, also means to take. So I try to take a photograph without taking. So to live in the moment, in the now, that's the best way to really experience the photograph while you take it. Started off, I'm a Canon guy. Nothing against Nikon, but yeah, Canon rocks. I started off with just a Canon Rebel T2i. It's a trooper. I take it everywhere I go. I have my water housing that I take in the water, and it's designed for my Canon Rebel. I do have a full frame Mark II, but I just love my Rebel. It's kind of like it reads my mind. We're like that. Oh, this is one of my hats.
Yeah, see?
And about what I do, I really wish I didn't have to pay bills and stuff. I do like family photos, an occasional wedding here and there, but the business, I'm just not business minded. I do sell some of my canvases, but most of my stuff I really get enjoyment from just sharing the ike. I do have a Facebook page. It's Makavalu Photography. That reminds me, thank you. I need to update it. I have a regular website. It's www.makavalufotography.com, which I also need to update. My wife, she's kind of like my boss and my secretary. She does all those unpleasantries for me. I have a hard time talking about money if somebody has an inquiry, so I just kind of let her handle it. I'm just the guy with the camera. That's what I like to tell everybody.
Good wife.
I love that. I'm just the guy with
Awesome.
the camera.